Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Real Mom, and I'm Dr. Nandini. If you are trying to teach your kid how to read the books, or you are just starting with it, so I think this video gonna be very helpful for you. So first I'll show you that in my old videos what I have shared with you. In of my video I have shared these type of cards with you. These cards are basically to teach your kids phonics. So I have also shared all the cards I have shared with you in my videos, like this is am, so the child will say am, this type. So in Lilliput 2 boxes come. I think if you are my subscriber or you watch my videos regularly, then you must be knowing. So they have two parts. In one there are easy words, and in one it goes to another level, which is for at least 4 or 5 plus kids. So I have shared this, and one more thing which I have shared with you are these cards. They were really useful and they are really good for 3 plus kids, because it has picture also, like this is, if this is rat, so there is this picture of rat. I don't know why they are sticking. There is picture of rat. So in this way it's very colorful, or you can say very fascinating for the child, that he will surely be interested in reading these cards. More thing which I have shared with you is my folder, the last video. Why I am sharing this all with you, to tell you that whatever I have shared and whatever I am trying, so I faced one problem, that these things doesn't have anything, you can say, up to date, or you can say 1 to 100. Means if even if I teach my child that this is lid, blended lid, so he will say like this, but can I be sure that yes, after teaching this word he will be able to read everything which starts from L? No. I was looking for something which can be my end station, you can say, because I was looking for something which help him to read and even guide us how to go step by step. Because I know myself, might be many mothers, they know how to teach to read, but I was not able to teach him. Problem which I was facing was that he is very good at writing, he is very good at learning, he memorized everything. I was observing him, what I saw, that he is not interested in learning to read. Means he is very fond of book, he loves to read book, but yeah, mama, you read it for me, and he wants to learn everything, but he was not interested to read. When 1 or 2 days when I tried with him, I made up stories, so he was quite interested in these cards, but these ones he was very less interested. So I went for the folder and everything. So now then one day I was like that I have to do something else, I need to try, because if the kids are not interested in one thing, we have to try something else. So I just googled and I went through many books and cards and worksheets. So I came across a book. Now I show you that book, which our main video is. So I came across a book which says teach your child in 100 easy lessons. This book was the end of my search related to reading or how to teach your child to read. So when I came across this book, I saw that this book has so much good reviews, and that developed my interest, to just go through it in detail. So I went on YouTube and on Google also. I read a lot about this book, that what exactly this book is and how it helps your child to read, and it's perfect for 3 plus. You can easily go for this book. So today I'll tell you that what exactly this book has, and the best part about this book is that it promises to teach your child to read completely, including the sight words, including the blending, including the phonics, CVC word, everything, and in the end including to read the whole sentences, or you can say the whole complete book. So it says that you have to take one lesson each day, so it means 3 months. It will take 3 months for your child to learn to read, and 20 minutes a day. So now I'll open it and I'll show you that how this book is helping Samarth to read. See, every child is different. Might be what I shared with you earlier might be helping your child to read. So every child is different, but I was not satisfied with those things, so that's why I just looked for something else, and then I found it. starting it have some summary that how you can teach your child. Then the lesson 1 starts with introducing the program. They are teaching that what you need to say to your child in the starting. There are few lines which you have to read to them. Then our lesson 1 comes. There are 100 lessons, so obviously I'll not be sharing the complete book, but yes, I'm just giving you an introduction so that you will get to know that how exactly this book works. The first minus point which this book has, and I'll share it with you, that is it's black and white. It doesn't have any colorful pictures, or it doesn't have any attractive page for the child like 3 plus, but yes, surely the way you read to them, the way you teach them with this book can develop their interest. So when I started with Summer, so the lesson 1, now you will be surprised that normally we teach our child from A, right? But here they are having only 2 alphabet, that is M and S. So I'll tell you that how it works. So I'm going to touch under the sound and say the sound. Touch first ball of arrow, move quickly to the second ball, hold 2 seconds. So this is how it teaches. So like what I do with Summer, that like when we start, first I have to read, then the child have to read. See, my turn, your turn. This way this book works. Like a M hai, so you will read it like this. You will ask your child to put the finger or pen or anything and say like slow. Then you will ask them to go fast. So like this, because M ka sound normally we teach to our child that M makes the sound m, but when you actually go through any book, it says like this. Okay, so like S, like this you have to make your child read the exact sounds. Even many times we mistake that we don't know the exact sound of the alphabet. So यहाँ पे कुछ जो fun games हैं, like which will surely develop your child interest, like let's say it fast. My turn. Motor, pause, boat. Say it fast. Motorboat, motor, boat, motorboat. So what are they teaching? They are teaching how to break the words. I was really impressed with the reviews, that people were giving many genuine reviews that this is very useful. So I ordered it. But when I started with the first lesson, so I was like, how will he get to know, how will he learn to read by just reading these words? But in 5 days, I have started this book 5 days back, and I have seen difference in him, that I don't know, all of a sudden he has learned a little bit to blend. Means because we have reached lesson 5, so he has learned a little bit because of the picturization, because of the presentation of the words. So I'll show you, like this is ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Sister, 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 sister. So like this the child has to read. So ऐसे ही आगे तक है. Then in the end it again says you have to again read for the revision. Then it's the writing part. Even they are teaching the writing also. Now lesson 2 again starts with the revision of then again the same thing. Again some words have changed, like sidewalk, sidewalk, sidewalk. See, side. We always say sidewalk. We never say sidewalk. So it's like the sound is sidewalk. Am. So am में क्या है? Am. बस इतना ही sound है. So that what we have to teach to our child. Now if I come to lesson 3. In lesson 3 there is a sound that is added, that is A. Now what sound A makes? So because of the arrow, the child will learn what exactly sound A makes. A makes a sound A. A. So normally children, if you ask, they say A makes a sound A. So it's not A, it's A. E makes a sound A. So this is the difference. So this book is teaching everything in so much detail that when like a day before yesterday when we were doing this lesson, so Samat was able to read the word continuously. Like he was able to read like as it's not a word, was able to understand the concept of blending. So now here it's like am. Now we have taught the child that it makes the sound so it will be very easy for him to look into the picture and say like this. So the arrow presentation, the ball presentation, the dots presentation is so important. Then when I reached till lesson 5, lesson 6, then I was able to understand that what's the purpose of this arrow and dot, how is it working. Here it will be vice versa, it will be like ma. Here the A turns into a, ma. So this is what it's basically almost silent, or you can say for a very short duration. So like I'll show you, they have different they have mentioned everything, you need to read it. I'll show you the sentence, that how, like if we come to the CBC, mat. So like this, how it works like this. First there is a gap in this, so it comes like mat. Now here sat. So it's like so at. So हमने पहले सा पढ़ा था, ठीक है, sat. So in this way it works. Like if we talk about this word, so it's gonna be यहाँ पे there is more distance in the dot, here it's less, so it will be sat. We talk about sentences, so like this they have mentioned the sentences like Sam is mad. ये हमने पीछे, we have to cover all this, then we will reach this page, because I think it's this is lesson 18. So I'm just, for an example, I'm showing you that how they are mentioning the sentences like Sam. So here it's a gap, it means it's am, Sam. Is, this is a fast word, is mad. This dot resembles us which word will stretch and which will we have to say it fast. So this is the difference. Sam is mad. So this is how the child will surely learn to read. What I'm expecting is, I found this book really nice, and in 15-20 days in some other video when I'll be making it, I will surely again share the review, short review of this book, that how it's working. In the end lessons there are full sentences which the child has to read, but yes, of course you need to develop your child interest in this book, because this book is a little black and white. But don't take stress, treat it in a fun way, say them, let's read it in a fun way, like I am a log, I cannot run, I cannot sit on. So these are the small sentences which they have given to give confidence to the child. So somehow this book will guide you to read. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Till now, till 1 week, from last 1 week we are trying this book. So somehow I am having some positive vibes that yes, he is learning a little bit about blending. I don't know, automatically he has learned the concept that yes, we have to blend the word. So if he will learn that thing, and he will be, the thing will click in his mind that yes, we have to blend every word, so he will try to read. This is the most important part, that if this book encourages him to try to read, he will surely learn to read. So you can also try the book, and of course in the last, if I'll tell you the price. So I think this book I purchased it from Amazon, and it was like about 1430 rupees or something like this. So you can also Google it, and you can purchase it from Amazon or any other shop, wherever you like, because I don't think this book is available on physical stores. Because I hope this video will be useful for you, and you can surely try this book, this very nice book. So if you like my video, subscribe my channel, share, like and comment, and please take care of yourself. If you go out, then wear your mask and everything, and stay safe and stay healthy. Bye for now.